Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. We are on our land again, on our plot where the house is getting built, and I mentioned in a previous video that my hubby is working very hard. He's been building a fence with a worker, with an acquaintance, and the worker is of course responsible, but my husband is helping him a lot, and I'm going to show you that and talk you through it, as I don't want to disturb them. And I've been organizing here a lot. I've been sweeping the floor in the house. I'm taking out the trash. I have to pick up some trash here. I was also helping and picking up some stones for the fence as well. So that's our day here. You can see how they are putting stones under the base, under the foundation of the fence, so-called podmurówka in Polish. They're also pouring cement or concrete to make it stable. And it's a lot of hard work, also because we are making our ground higher due to it being very moist. So you had to stabilize all the foundation on sand and on stones. You can see the main gate. The rest is not finished yet on this side and on the other one. Here is a glimpse of our car on the left, and the fence. You can see the base, how it's done. Podmurówka in Polish. And they are working over there. Here is the other side, and here are the trees we planted. If you remember, if you've seen that video where we planted our fruit trees. For the base, for the fence, cement in Polish. Concrete. And this is the part at the forest with another small gate there. So you could have just seen the footage of Bola and his acquaintance and co-worker putting the concrete and the stones, and behind is the forest, a part of it that belongs to us.
على قد ما تقدر انت هات كده البطن.
This is the garbage heap. I need to put this individual garbage into one big bag as here, and then we take the bags to the waste place, to the So we decided to do the fence in the cheapest possible way. I want to explain. It's very expensive here in Poland to put up the fence. The fence itself, the gates and the work is extremely expensive. And so luckily my husband knew someone who is professional, who does this kind of job, and he's helping him, and we can do it much cheaper. We took a mortgage, of course, to build the house, but we want to save money where we can, of course. We will soon eat, have some bread, and we'll cook some broad bean, and the sun is slowly setting. Still a few hours left. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a like, comment, and I will see you in my